Namaste students. Today's our topic is efficiencies. Economize. Economize essential consideration in merger analysis. While the purpose of competition law is to preserve and promote competition, the primary rationale behind competition is to ensure optimal allocation of existing resources and thus achieve efficient market outcomes. Universally, efficiency is accepted as a justification for approving an outcome provided the welfare consequences of the outcome in question outweigh its ill effects. Ignorance of economics. Efficient use of resources by competition law and competition enforcement agencies would prejudice the word object of preserving competition. However, one should also acknowledge the scientific quantification and weighting of efficiencies are complex tasks. Further, trade-off between efficiency and anti-competitive actions is one of the muddled areas of competition jurisprudence. Efficiencies. Besides the difficulty in qualifying efficiencies, it is also very difficult to define the concept. It is also not appropriate to have an exhaustive definition or explanation that covers all the instances of efficiencies. In general, efficiencies are improvements that serve public interest and benefit the society at large. In this regard, one may also conclude that any improvement prejudicial to public interest may not be recognized as efficiencies for the purpose of competition law. Proactive efficiency, allocative efficiency, dynamic efficiency, transactional efficiency, productive efficiency. These are commonly recognized across jurisdictions which imply higher production with existing or lesser input. These efficiencies reduce cost of production and are quantified scientifically. Productive efficiency includes economies of scale, economies of scope, allocative efficiency. A market is said to achieve allocative efficiency when market process lead society resources to be allocated to their highest valued use among all competing uses. In simple terms, allocative efficiencies occur when production is allocated to the highest value buyers at such an allocation price of the product would be equal to the marginal cost. There may be situation where because of a vertical merger on account of elimination of double marginalization, there will be enhanced allocative efficiencies. Dynamic efficiency gains achieved out of innovation are called as dynamic efficiencies. Innovations results in better quality, novel products and better technologies. Innovation lubricate competition by athletic rivalry and stepwardship among competitors. Transactional efficiency. Merger may reduce transactions cost incurred by consumers. Vertical mergers often results in transactional efficiency. Transactional efficiency also form the platform for achieving other efficiency. It helps to reducing the price raised due to opportunistic behaviors and holds up. For instance, merger between monopoly wholesaler and monopoly retailer reduces the price markup by the retailer, which in turn leads to the possibility of reducing the price of the product sold. Incorporating efficiency in merger analysis, one of the early practices was ignorance of efficiency as they are considered